what are your acquisition guys' goals every day?
They got to call at least 3 hours on the dollar. They got 3-hour shifts. So we have the acquisitions, and we have the person who's over them who screens the calls, make sure that, they're saying the right thing, staying on script, not staying on the phone too long, things like that. So we're trying to bring in at least 5-10 leads a day.
Okay. And these are super, I'm guessing, a little bit more qualified leads than your regular cold callers because it's your people in-house.
Yeah. So we don't use VAs. Everybody we have is in-house. And you know what's funny? I was watching Real Estate Disruptors with Property Force, and I really like his model. All his cold call, all his acquisition guys are licensed agents as well. Mm-hmm. And they're on commission only because agents are already used to that kind of structure. So he was saying it was easier to build out a company with that, with that type of business model. So eventually I would want all my acquisitions guys to be licensed because, not only did they went to school and got that, base knowledge and know how not to get sued. It just shows a little more commitment too than just getting the guy off Indeed. They not wanting to go to realtor school to get, further educated.
Yeah. I mean, I have a little bit different view. I think realtors most of the time are just awful.
Well, no. I don't want them to be realtors. I want them to be licensed. Yeah. I mean, I got that, man. I watched that Property Force, video a couple of times, and I just love what they're doing, and that's kind of like the model that I want to kind of model, and they're doing crazy numbers. Yeah, they're doing crazy numbers. So I just, and I'm pretty sure you do the same. We watch who's actually doing the business, and we take a little bit from each person and form our own thing.
Yep. Exactly.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Winning Move Podcast. I hope it helps you make all the right moves in your life and business. Please make sure to go like and subscribe on any podcast platform that you're listening to, and make sure to go follow me on Instagram @StratDaddy. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon.